Taoiseach faríor géir tá orm hOspidéal an Chlocháin a ardú a ríis. Tá sé dúnta, tá sé fós dúnta in anón an éileamh atá ar na seirbhísí sa hOspidéal sin, agus in anón go bhfuil brú damanta ar an hOspidéal in Gaillimh. Taoiseach, once again, I'm raising the hospital in Clifden. It remains closed, despite the best efforts of the Minister Butler, of the TDs, the senators on the ground. The GPs and the people all want Clifden Hospital to be open. We've been given solemn promises that it will remain open, but it remains closed. 12 respite beds. In Galway, there are 20-something patients as we speak who are ready to be discharged, have no place to go. There are empty beds in Carrow, there are empty beds in Merlin Park, all of the time while the hospital in Galway City is going under with pressure. There's something seriously amiss with the management and the health executive that's allowing this situation to continue. Garmagat.
Deputy Connolly, for raising the issue in relation to the hospital in Clifden, and I can sense your frustration in regards to this. I'll speak to both Minister Donnelly, Minister Butler, the HSE, and see if I can assist in improving the situation.